So here I'm going to assign P to be the balance at the beginning of second year. And if the compound annual interest rate is R%, then this amount that would earn in the second year, because this is, remember, this is at the beginning of the second year, not, initial. So the interest earned in that year, R% of P, that's our first condition. And we also know that the principal at the beginning of third year would be this P plus the interest that you earned that year. So it would be P plus 806.25. So that means the interest that you would earn in the third year would be R% of that. And that's equal to 866.2. So I have two equations I can figure out, R and P. If I distribute that R, you'll see that this piece is 806.25. So I can figure this out. The 866.72 minus 806.25, 60.47, and that's R over 100. So you can just do this computation. I mean, and another way, you could skip all these steps and you could make a jump to this, because that means that the interest difference between these two was the interest that you earned on the interest that you earned in the second year. So that's really what this summary is. But for some students, that might be harder to make that jump. So I think in the beginning, it's okay to kind of just do it with first principles. So if you do this, R turns out to be 7.5%, very close at 0.0001. Now we can figure out the principal at the beginning of the second year. So 100 over 7.5, so 806.25 times 100 divided by 7.5. So I get 10,750. Once you see nice numbers, you're kind of on the right track. That means the balance at the end of the second year would be this plus 806.25. So let me just add that part. Which is 11,556.25. That's the balance at the beginning of third year. Then we earned this interest. So now we have to add that to this. So 12,422.97 is the balance at the beginning of the fourth year. So the interest you would earn would be 7.5% of that. And if I compute this, it turns out to be 931.72 rupees, which is choice A.